This is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to begin with, you will need to swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar, then find and touch and hold at the Wi-Fi tile. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of, then tap on it. At the following network details page, click at the share icon, and at the following interface, the actual Wi-Fi password will be revealed right over here, as well as the system will provide you with a unique QR code that can be further used to scanned and get some other device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.